I don't know what's happening these days, but it feels like it's getting harder and harder to get CapCut for free. Before, you could edit the whole video on YouTube without having to use any pro features, but now it feels like before you even breathe, the CapCut Pro symbol has appeared on the screen. And for new and small YouTubers like myself, paying 10,000 naira per month is a lot. So I went in search of a solution, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys solutions I found on how you can download CapCut Pro videos for free. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Alright guys, so let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to show you how you can download a CapCut Pro video for free. So for the purpose of this tutorial, this is our test video, right? You can see how it's looking like. It's a very short video of just food showing. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is that if I click on the export right now, say I click on export video, exporting is very easy, no problem, right? And I can just choose to upload that to YouTube, right? But what happens when I actually add a pro feature, right? So let's say we want to add a text, maybe to make this video better. So I'm going to put food ideas, right? This is still good. We can see that the pro symbol has not appeared on our screen yet. But what happens when I choose to use like a cool text, like let's say this flame? This makes it just gives it more of an edge, right? And so I've added this fancy text that basically brought out this pro stuff for us. And what happens when I try to export? So if we click on the export button, see that they're telling us that you're using the following premium features, and I have to join CapCut Pro to export it normally. And if I click on this, you'll see that they're telling me to pay 10,000 naira or 80,000 naira per month, which is quite crazy, and I don't think any one of us wants to pay that amount of money. So let's go back. So what you can now do in this instance, right, is to swipe down on your phone. Yeah, just leave it like this. Swipe down on your phone and hit the screen recording. So screen recording in the process, and you just click on play. So right now I'm screen recording this video directly from CapCut, even though the CapCut Pro is enhanced, right? And when that's done, I'm just going to end my screen recording, and it's telling me that I saved the videos. Next step is now to edit this particular screen recording that we have, right? So you can see that first of all it is in portrait mode, and we don't want our video in portrait mode. So the first thing to do is to crop it. I'm going to crop it to the landscape mode that you would need to upload on YouTube. So you can see that I'm cropping it to the particular dimensions of that video. I'm going to click on done. So this is first step. Second step is to trim out the excesses at the beginning and the end of the video. So I'm clicking on edit, and then I'm going to trim out any part of this video that I don't want. Let's trim out the end. I don't want this ending, and I don't also want the other side to show. So I click on done. So save video. All right, so let's play our video from the beginning to see how it is looking like and if we like it. So this is how it looks like. Food ideas. So you can see that it's nice, right? But I want to edit it so that it starts from where the food ideas appears on screen, right? So I'm just going to move this here to exactly to this place, and I'm going to click on done and save video. So let's play it again and see how our video is looking like, if we like it. So you can see that it immediately starts with the food ideas on screen and shows the rest of the video. We've trimmed out the beginning, we've trimmed out the end, and now we have our perfect video for us to upload to YouTube.
And that wraps up how you can get CapCut Pro for free. But I'm going to give you an advice, which is I would advise you to look into other editing softwares like Canva, InShot, DaVinci Resolve, because it feels like CapCut is really trying hard to monetize their entire platform, because things that used to even be free are now under the professional tool. That is really crazy. So I'd advise that you not put your eggs in one basket and explore other editing software. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment your favorite thing about this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.